clearing up here in Texas, so you know what, I thought I'd fire up my Highland smoker right here, put it to some use. I got me some country style ribs for the pork butt, boneless, so you know it's just cut from the whole pork butt into pretty much the strips, which they call them country style ribs. So I'm gonna go do that, put them in the smoker here. I got some pretty good fatty ones that I'm gonna smoke, and what I'm using is I've already got my pit starter here. I got some B&B that I used, and then I put some post oak. So I can smell it right now. Oh yeah, smells good. I also got some mesquite, but I might just roll with post oak throughout the whole cook. So we'll see. But I got that going right now, and I just want to kick back, take it easy. I know it's been a bit since I've been uploading. You know, I'm gonna hopefully want to try to upload more. So this is gonna be one started, and yeah, we're not started on this Highland right here, the smoker. You know, let's play with some fire, man. So let's get to it. All right, so pretty meaty, seasoned with the Killer Hogs BBQ Rub. Man, looking good. Too bad I can't eat them right now. So place it right there. That. Just like that. So let them roll. You know me, I like to keep my temps around 250. If it goes up a little, that's fine with me. You know, you're playing with wood here, so that's just how it goes. But I'm gonna let it roll, then I'll bring it back. Alright, my temps dropping. It was sitting at 253, so it's 235, so you know what that means. Got stuck another split in there, so you see already I got my split on there getting warm. So you can see. Yep. So we'll stick it like that. It's warm. Oh yeah. See how it catches on just like that. So always remember, if you're able to stick your split on top, or if your side firebox is larger than this, you can also stick your split or your log inside there to get warm up. But see how great it is whenever you warm it up. If you don't warm up that split, you're gonna have to keep it open, let that air get in there, let it catch on fire. So that stops your cooking, that stops, you know, your temps gonna go down in your cooking chamber. So that's good right there. And I'm closing it. And then you go get another one, post oak. My mesquite right there, and post oak. That's it. And just let it roll. It's been 2 hours. I'm sitting at 246 right now. So let's check what they look like. And this is the first time looking at the country style ribs. So let's see. Yeah, looking good. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. Oh yeah. The Killer Hogs, man, gives it a nice look. So we see they're coming along nicely. Yep. So I'm gonna let it roll, and I'm gonna let it maybe for about another hour. I may check it, maybe 2, and see where they're temping at. So with that, let's close it up and keep that heat in. Wood split is on. It'll probably get me about maybe 25-30 minutes of smoke time, so I'm gonna use that time and just take a nap. Look at that fire go. Look at that fire. That post oak is burning. Beautiful sight. Feels cold. Keep your hands warm. Yeah, that's what I love to see right here. The smell. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's nice. But let's close it up and gotta continue cooking. All right, I'm gonna tip them, see where they're at. But look at that. Man, they're looking nice, don't you think? Look at that color. Oh man. Get a closer view of them. Look at that. Oh man, they smell good. They smell good. Alright, so got the Inkbird. What's written at? 159, 160, 161, 170, 172, 66, 65. So yeah, I mean they're gonna be roughly around close to the same as you can see. So you know they got more time to go, and you know, to be honest, I was gonna stick them in a foil pan and put some liquid in there and, you know, get them tender and all that. But to be honest, I love the way they're coming out right now, and I may just let them go, you know, just like this. And I mean, this is after 3 hours, so looking pretty good. So I may just do that, and I am enjoying my time out here, just hanging out, listening to music. You know, it's we had some rain this week. Well, almost this whole week, so it cleared out. Well, some of it cleared out, but it's been kind of cloudy. So, but cool. Wind's been blowing, so it's been nice. So I think I'm just gonna maybe let it roll like this and just finish it off like that. But they're looking good. All right, then let's continue on, right? All right, let's check the food. I suspect that they're probably done, so I'm gonna probe them, see how they feel. So let's do that. Oh yeah, don't they look nice? Look at that. Delicious. Yeah, that felt good. Yeah, that feels good. Oh yeah, look at this, it's reading 199. Oh yeah, 196. That went in nice. Oh yeah. Alright, so they're feeling good. So I'm gonna take them off with the rest for a little bit, and then, you know, I'm gonna grub on them. Don't they look beautiful? Look at that. Alright, let's close it up, and then I'm gonna get ready to take them off. I enjoyed my day. I really did. Just out here kicking it, cooking. I mean, can't get better than that, right? Just out here having a good time. So I was out here for a total of a little over 5 hours. You know, the cook would have been done quicker if I had put it in a pan, add some liquid in it. You know, it would have. But yeah, you know, I was just feeling good. The weather, it's been nice. It's been real cool. You saw in the beginning, it was pretty chilly, so I had my hoodie on. But as the day went on, it's just got a little bit warmer, but you still feel the cool air. So it's just been awesome right now, and just firing up the smoker, you know. I mean, oh yeah. So, cheers everyone. Oh yeah. That pork. Oh man. I'm telling you, as much as I love, you know, pork ribs, or you spare, or, you know, I mean, and just cooking them like this from the pork butt, and not cooking the whole pork butt itself, but just buying it from the store, or you can buy the whole pork butt yourself and just cut it up into sizes out here where they're considered, you know, ribs, and then you're good. And that's all it is. Bone in, boneless. You know, you're just cutting it up and smoking it. It's good. Oh yeah. You know, you can chop this up too if you want. Chop it up, make some sandwiches, some tacos. Shit, I might do that, man. Make some tacos. Oh yeah, but all in all, just another awesome day, just hanging out here and just cooking for y'all. All right, can't go wrong cooking and eating. But it's easy to do. I mean, you know, when I use my smoker, I try to show more of it on how to use it, and you know, from loading up the, you know, the splits into the firebox and the sizes, and you know, and yeah, the cook's awesome too, but you know, I want to showcase my smoker. So hopefully, you know, this is another video that you enjoyed watching the smoker itself to do its thing, because honestly, all I'm doing is just putting the split into the firebox. That's it. Smoker does everything else. So I'm gonna give it up to the smoker, you know. But hopefully you enjoyed this. As you can see, I'm hungry. I'm waiting for the sausage to finish. But as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for coming back and commenting. I love it. I love replying back to those comments. So keep it up. You know, don't stop on that. You know, but as always, folks, smoke on, everyone.